It's my turn to play at the Work Experience Center. Please help me insert some coins. I want to pick a job that is the most interesting.
Chef.
That's interesting. Come with me.
Help Joe put on his outfit. Chef uniform. Pan. Spatula.
I'm a great chef. I make all kinds of delicious food. Little chef, what will you be cooking? Let's process the ingredients. Choose a pan and start cooking. This is delicious! Yay! I have come to play at the Work Experience Center. Please help me insert some coins. What job will I try out today?
Archaeologist.
Here we go!
Help Kiki put on his outfit. Archaeologist suit. Shovel. Magnifying glass.
I'm an archaeologist. I can uncover hidden artifacts. An archaeologist uses a detector to find artifacts buried in the ground. There are artifacts here. Dig up the rocks to see which has hidden artifacts. artifacts here. Use the magnifying glass to find artifacts. Process the artifacts that you have dug up.
Flight attendant.
Yay! Let's play.
Help Momo put on her outfit. Flight attendant uniform. Suitcase. Scarf.
I'm a flight attendant. I help passengers solve any problems. Welcome to this baby bus flight. We hope you will have a pleasant journey with us. Please place your luggage in the correct overhead bin. Please fasten your seatbelt. Please put your seat back in the upright position. Please secure your tray table. Please raise your window shade. We are about to take off. Please turn off your electronic devices. The flight is now cruising. We will be serving meals and drinks and providing other in-flight services shortly. Please dispose your garbage in the garbage bins. We have arrived at our destination. Thank you for flying with Baby Bus.